guys, welcome back to the video. In this video, it's pretty sure it's a quick video. I mean, she's it now. But, I don't know if you guys knew. If you guys know about Hurricane Matthew, the largest hurricane that anyone's ever spotted. But I'm pretty sure, and we're having a big rainstorm, or not not a major storm, but a storm. And wait, I'll show you. Okay. I don't know if you can see, but over there, right there, looks like it's a funnel cloud, right? And over here, right here, for you guys it's far away, but for me it's not. But wait, all of this right here, from over there, over here, from over here, but from over here, all the way over to there, looks like a fucking